Hello everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Tomica F8 Tributo, Ferrari F8 Tributo, number 59, so let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the F8 Tributo in this awesome looking Rosso color. Rosso? I don't know how you pronounce it, but I'm not sure what type of Rosso is this. I mean, like, there's a lot of versions, like a Rosso Giallo, I think. I don't know. But I'm just gonna call it Rosso for this one. So here is the Ferrari F8 Tributo. Basically, the car in real life costs $300,000, which quite expensive for a luxury sports car. Not really a hypercar, but a sports car indeed. So yeah, this is the F8 Tributo, which, to be honest, kinda seems similar to a 458 Italia or the 488 GTB. It basically is, but basically in next gen type of 488. So let's take a look at the car here. So here's the car, like I said, in that Rosso type of color. We have the wheels that are normally on the Tomica cars. Pretty nice looking side. Kinda looks like a 488 and 458 Italia. You have that tiny Ferrari badge. I'm not sure you can see it or not. Yeah, there it is. The Ferrari badge looks pretty nice. You have some air intakes on the side. You have the door here, looks pretty good. Moving on to the front, we have the headlights, which kinda looks like a 458 Italia a bit. Not sure about the GTB. I'm gonna compare you this to the GTB after this. You have the front bumper, which looks nasty. It kinda looks quite evil, to be honest. The car looks quite evil from the front. You can see that it kind of looks like it's angry or quite mad. You can see it's not really an air intake, I think, or maybe it is, I'm not sure. But you have that on the hood, sort of like an air intake. Then there's the Ferrari logo. Moving on to the back, we have the rear lights. And those are the two circle rear lights. Unlike the Ferrari SF90, it still has the circle rear lights, which, to be honest, of course, looks like a normal Nissan GT-R R35 or maybe a Mazda RX-8. But the rear lights on this, of course, but they have two rear lights on the back, which unlike the 458 Italia or maybe the 488 GTB, they only had one on each side, but this one has two on each side, which obviously there's four rear lights, which sort of kind of makes this an Italian GT-R, to be honest. You have the rear diffusers there, down there. Not sure where's the exhaust pipe. Is it down there? Hold on, let me check. Oh yeah, I found it. So there are the two exhaust pipes down there in gray. I couldn't really see it because it kinda looks the same color of the diffusers. There's the engine right there. You can see. You kinda see the engine inside. Looks pretty nice. More of like a black interior inside, basically. Let's take a look at the base. Tomica, what scale is this? Also 162. So it turns out this is not 164, this is 162. Made in Vietnam. And then we have the Ferrari licensing 2019. Nice. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna compare it to the 488 GTB that I've previously reviewed, but I'm still gonna show it anyways, and you can see what are the major differences, because basically the F8 Tributo is basically the new next generation 488 GTB, and the GTB supposedly is the next generation of the 458. So you can barely see the difference from the front. The 488 GTB has 2 air intakes, as you can see right there. The F8 Tributo just has one big one. On the front you can see the headlights. There are some tiny differences with the headlights. Even the front bumper, the front grille, you could see some differences. The sides, to be honest, look pretty much the same thing. The back has some major differences, which are the rear lights. The 488 still look like the 458 Italia, whereas the Tributo just look different. It's like they remodified the whole back. So basically, this F8 Tributo is just a remodified version of the 488 GTB from the front and back. The sides of the car are still the same thing. Oh, now I just remembered. So, turns out the hood, it's not actually an air intake. So, what they call it is supposed to be an S-duct. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it is in fact called an S-duct, which supposedly is just a big hole through the middle. It isn't really acting as an air intake for the airflow for aerodynamics. No, it's just a big hole. I'm not sure what it is. What's the purpose of it? But I know there are intakes on the side, which are used for downforce and aerodynamics. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.